Hi friends. So today I'm going to solve previous year NET questions. So this question was asked in 2019. So every year you will get one question from this differential equation part. So let's get started. So if the equation is given here in some format and they have given also some certain boundary conditions. So how to solve this problem? So let me analyze this problem. If the given equation is in this format, like you have a dy by dx and you have some p of x of y is equal to some other variable, say that is q of x. If so, if I get a differential equation in this format, I'll tell you the ways how to solve, how the steps in which you can solve this problem in a simple way or in a fraction of time. So the first one you have to do is you have to identify what is p and what is q given in this equation. If so, if you have identified what is p and what is q, then you have to find out the exponential of integral of p of x dx. I am naming that variable or that final result as another quantity u of x. Right. So now I know that the given expression or given equation is in this format. I found out what is p and what is q. Once we found the p and q, then we can able to integrate. That is nothing but exponential of integral p of x dx. Now I'm naming that as u of x. Then finally you have to write that is y of u of x is nothing but integral of q of x u of x dx plus c. This is how you have to solve this type of a particular integral. Now we will start solving this problem. As I said before, that's the procedure. Here this is the equation given here. I'm going to write as I said before, that is here I have x which is in a multiple of dy by dx, so that I'm going to divide whole equation by x. So I will have dy by dx plus 1 plus x by x, correct, times y is equal to e power minus x by x. Now as I said before, I got this expression which is dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to q of x, right? So the first step I said you have to identify what is p and what is q. Now I found what is my p and what is my q, right? Then what else we have to do? We have to find out the exponential of integral p of x dx. I'm going to erase all those things. Now we got what is p. That p is nothing but 1 plus x by x, right? So how will you integrate this one? Let me just write out this one. Exponential of p of x dx, that is nothing but exponential of 1 plus x by x times dx. Shall I write like this? I'm gonna write something like exponential of integral 1 by x dx times, I can write this as simply e power x, correct? So this is nothing but ln value, so I can write as I'm going to write here. So that is exponential of ln x, correct? This is exponential of ln x times e power x, another one. So e power exponential of ln x is nothing but x. So x e power x. This is nothing but u of x, right? This is what I said, u of x, right? So I'm going to erase all. So I got what is u of x. This is nothing but integral of exponential of integral of p of x dx. Just now before we got this value as x e power x. Now I got what is u of x. So what is the next procedure is? I said y into u of x is equal to, correct? So integral of q of x u of x dx plus c, correct? So now substitute. Here I have y, u of x is nothing but x e power x, correct, is equal to integral of q of x. From the question, the q of x is given as e power minus x by x, correct, times u of x. U of x is nothing but x e power x plus c. Here I have dx plus c, some integration constant. I'm going to erase all. So here if I substitute, now final value I got is, I'm sorry, I'll take a pen, that is y x e power x is equal to integral of e power minus x by x into x e power x dx plus c. Can you see? Shall I cancel this x and x? X power e power minus x and this is e power x. So these will also get cancelled. So finally I will have y x e power x is equal to, the integral of dx is nothing but x plus c. They have given some initial conditions or boundary conditions. From this I can find out what's the value of c is. So if so, substituting, that is at y is equal to 0, y is 0, at x is equal to 1. If I substitute here, I will have, that is 0 is equal to 1 plus c. So c is equal to minus 1. So I got what the value of c is. So I am going to erase all. So that is, I got y x e power x is equal to x minus 1. I have just substituted the value of c. So now I need only y. So shall I bring these terms here? So if I make, or if I bring here, I will have x minus 1 by x into e power x. This is what the